we will examine how Hāpara can support both educators and learners with social media distractions. Never before have there been so many online distractions for learners, and social media is at the top of the list. One of Hāpara's newest features is the Close and Block Tabs feature. Educators can start with a gentle redirection by sending learners a message and then closing a tab if necessary. Educators now have the choice to block the website for the class or a student. When learners try to reopen the website, they are unable. Learners can be immediately released from the block session. Gentle redirection helps learners get back to their tasks. Teaching digital citizenship and showing learners how to use technology responsibly is part of this process. Over time, educators gradually release responsibility to learners, helping them learn to manage their own time and stay focused. Thanks for watching.